Hey guys, Lek here. Quick video on my hydraulic floor jack today. Basically, it's not lifting anymore. As you see, right now I have it all the way in tight position. And when I try to lift it, it barely lifts my 1 foot. So when I do this with my car, it takes about 5 minutes to lift your car when it should be like, 3-4 pulls and stuff. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys today how to bleed your air system and how to refill this with hydraulic jack oil. And here I picked up something from Ace because AutoZone didn't have anything, so any brand will do. This is a Craftsman 1.5 ton, but the idea should work with most jacks out there, hydraulic style, at least floor jacks. So to get started, we're going to take this cover off, and as you guys can see, you have a few bolts here. So the compression piston is in there, so we're going to loosen that up. And these bolts do have little seals. If you see them worn out, you can pick this up in Ace, AutoZone, or Harbor Freight pretty cheap, whole replacement kit. And then I'm going to remove this bolt here. And before I'm going to unwind this here so it's not actually lifting right now. And as you guys can see, I am pumping oil out. So this one is actually okay. We're probably not going to have to refill anything. So I'm going to close that up. Actually, give it a little pump to make sure there's no air bubbles. Close that up. But if you notice that being empty, refill it. Sometimes you might have one bolt here, so you're refilling just the one. In this case, the middle one here works. So now with this one, we want to make sure all the air is out. So I'm going to pump this. And as you see, nothing's pouring out because it's empty. So now we can start refilling it. And most of these oils, come with a little spout like this, which makes it very useful. Just I have to clean up after. It's actually taking a lot in there. Go. So now I'm going to give it a few pumps to make sure there's no air bubbles again. Add a little more oil. Oops. So that's it. We're full now. I'm going to close this up. Clean it up. And now let's test our jack. So I'm going to tighten this back up. So it lifts fast now. Let's see if I put some pressure on it. So it's going a little better. But what I'm going to do now is check. I'm going to lift this all the way up. Drop it. I'm going to check the reservoir again to see if we need to top off with more oil fluid. So yeah, we can use a little more because when I'm pumping it, it's not pouring out. So that's what we're going to do. Alrighty. Test. Works good like that. Alright, so it works better now. Now the ultimate test will be with our car. Alright, so we're gonna jack this car up really quick just to test it. Make sure you're in the right spot under your car. And yeah. And this already feels 10 times better than what it used to be. I feel pressure already starting here. And the car's going right up. So, problem fixed. Thank you guys. Well, that's basically it. Hope that's helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Any comments or questions for others, please comment below. Thank you.